If you have been uploading your videos directly to public, then you're already making a huge mistake here on YouTube that is going to be leading to low views and low engagement on your YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the correct way to upload that is going to actually force the YouTube algorithm to start pushing out your videos, leading to better views on that your YouTube channel. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. When uploading your YouTube videos, you are normally going to see the option of uploading on unlisted, or uploading it on private, or scheduling the video, or uploading it straight to public. Now a lot of new YouTubers, they normally just upload their video straight to public, and that's already a big mistake that you are making. Because if you think about it, when you're uploading your YouTube videos, there's a lot of data, like your description, your hashtag, your tags, your keywords, your end screen, stuff like that. And this stuff, they are actually much, because those are the metadata of your video, and this will actually take time for YouTube to analyze, to totally understand what your video is all about, so you can push it to the right audience. So if you are just rushing, you just upload everything, provide all those massive data, and then just upload that video to straight to public, you are not actually giving YouTube enough time to understand the video and what the video is all about, and analyze all the data on that video, which means that video is probably going to flop. Because when you are uploading that, you're actually reducing the chances of your video doing well here on YouTube. So I advise that whenever you are about to upload, that you upload correctly. And the correct way to upload is either to unlist your video, or rather to schedule your video for 2 to 24 hours, so that YouTube is going to take all the time it needs to understand the video better, so you can push it to the right audience, so you can get that views that you actually deserve on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be switching to my PC right now, so I can explain further and dive into my YouTube Studio dashboard, because the correct way to actually upload is through your YouTube Studio dashboard. If you're actually uploading with your YouTube app, you are still wrong, because you'll be able to access all the necessary uploading feature that is important to get you good views. So I'll be switching right now, so I can show you guys the correct way to upload your videos to get better performance here on YouTube. Now once you get to your YouTube Studio, simply start by clicking this upload icon that you can see on the top, and then upload your video and your video thumbnail. So I'm going to be using this video as an example real quick. So once done uploading your video, the next thing you have to do is add your video thumbnail. So let me add my thumbnail for you guys. So you add your thumbnail. Then once you are done adding your thumbnail, then fill out your description and all the necessary settings that you need to fill out. But I'm not talking about all that on this video. So my focus on this video is actually the visibility section. So all you have to do, move to this visibility section that you can see right here. So once you get here, you are going to see the private, unlisted, public, and then you see the schedule option. So the right way to upload, like I said earlier, is to actually use this your unlisted, or you use your schedule. You can see it over here. So you can actually unlist the video or schedule the video for 2 to 24 hours. That's the correct way to upload, giving YouTube enough time to fully analyze your video and understand what your video is all about, so you can push it to the right audience. Because it's only when YouTube is pushing your video to the right audience that you can get the views that you actually deserve here on YouTube. So let me quickly show you guys on how to schedule your videos. It's actually quite easy. So in order to schedule your video, all you have to do is just come here and then click on the button, and then you will be presented with this section. So all you have to do is just pick a time and a date. So let me pick a date. So I can pick any date, and then you pick the time that you want that video to go public. So as you can see, you can pick any time. So once you are done picking the date and the time, the video is going to automatically go public at that date and that time that you have picked. So it's not something that is manual, that you need to come back to YouTube and come and put the video public. So once it's at that exact date and that exact time, it's going to automatically go public on its own. Even if you are not online, it's going to do that automatically on its own. So this is actually something that you should be doing, so you can be getting better views and better visibilities on your YouTube channel. And I'm going to advise that if you found any value on this video, I would suggest that you like and you subscribe to this channel, because that is actually going to help me grow, and also it's going to help YouTube to understand that okay, this video is actually valuable, and then it's going to push it out there for other people to watch, so it can also help other people to grow their channel. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, And please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos. You might start seeing some of my playlists. So you can also take out time to watch that, to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.